Hey chickies, we are going to be unboxing some goodies together. These are from a couple of different skincare brands. I'm not exactly sure what are in these boxes, but we're gonna unbox them together. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciated if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be part of the Chickie crew. Please don't forget to give this video a like. It would really help out this video, and hit that bell to be notified of new videos. As you can tell, we are a little bit more casual today. This is I would say a little bit more like vlog style, but casual. So we are just gonna unbox some goodies together. There was one that I already kind of opened, but I didn't fully look inside the box. These are items that were sent over from PR. This is the first one. Packaging is all pink. This is from the brand Skin Proud, which can be found at Walmart. That's really cool. Hold on, let's see. I feel like I've seen this at Walmart, but I have yet to try any of the items. So the first one we have here, this is called the Proud Sorbet Skin. It's an everyday jelly moisturizer, which also contains hyaluronic acid complex. Their packaging is really pretty. I like that. It's in a plastic jar and it has a light baby pink top. With skincare, I incorporate the stuff slowly just to see if it will react with the skin. And there was one item I tried out just recently that my skin did not agree with. So I don't know if you could see it. There's like a little rash right here. Thankfully, it's going away. So next we have the Skin Proud Bright Boost, and this is a 2% vitamin C serum. And it's with softening vitamin B5. We're gonna have to incorporate that slowly into the skincare. Then we have the Skin Proud Detox Tonic. It's a daily exfoliating tonic with 5% lactic acid and glycolic acid. Look at that. Nice. This next one sounds very interesting. It's called the Velvet Cloud Cleanser Whipped Mousse Cleansing Foam, softening and sulfate free. So here's the packaging. Very pretty. I wonder if it has any fragrance. It has a little bit of a fragrance, but not too much. I'm already attracted to the fact that these are all like very pretty packaging, but as soon as this problem area clears up, we're gonna definitely give this a try. Thank you so much to Skin Proud for sending over these goodies. Let's go ahead and open this next package. Here we go. This is from the brand I Do Care, and this is a I Do Care Bristle Boost. Oh, it's a scalp massager. I was like, what is this? Here's what it looks like, and it says I Do Care. And here's the bottom part. These are wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I'll probably give these this one to Jonathan or Darren. The I Do Care Get to the Root Exfoliating Sea Salt Scalp Scrub. That's interesting. I've never heard of a exfoliating scalp scrub. So this brand is vegan and cruelty free. Clear your way to clean. This multitasking scrub gets to the root and purifies the scalp. Korean sea salt, black ginseng, charcoal powder, and biotin deeply cleanse excess oil, product buildup, and flaky scalp. Don't wash my hair every day, maybe every 2 to 3 days. So I think this will be a nice treat. Also from I Do Care, it's the It's Too Good Cleanser and Moisturizer Duo for sensitive skin. Oh, how pretty. The packaging is so cute. We have these two products right here. This is the Gentle Vibes Panethanol Gel Cleanser for sensitive skin. And then we have the Comfy Mood Ceramide Moisturizer for sensitive skin. Please comment below if you guys have tried this brand, because I always I see them everywhere on Instagram. The next we have, this is called the I Do Care Tap Secret Mattifying Dry Shampoo Powder. It's adorable with the smiley face. So it's a dry shampoo. I'm assuming you're supposed to just shake this in your hair. Root boosting powder will leave your hair looking clean and refreshed with instant volume and a matte finish. Take away excess oil and not have a flat hair day. So I haven't used one of these, like this type of dry shampoo, in a very, very long time. So I'm curious how it's, you know, how this one will perform. Straight chillin' cooling aloe sheet masks. Oh, that's actually really cool because it's in a tub. These instant face chillers are infused with aloe vera leaf, cucumber, and lemon balm extracts to help soothe and cool the skin. It also has 30 sheets. Chill down your day. I wonder if you can pop these into the fridge, you know, for a nice cooling sensation. Thank you so much to I Do Care for sending over these goodies, and we'll definitely give you feedback. Really interesting, unique skincare products. This next one, I thought it was skincare, but it's not. This is from It Cosmetics, Superhero No Tug Eyeshadow Sticks. I haven't even seen this. Super blendable pigment glides on easily without tugging on your delicate eye area. Its waterproof formula provides comfortable all-day wear and creaseless shadow that won't settle into any lines. They even sent like a little bag. They gave a whole bunch of them. Oh, okay, hold on. We're gonna swatch one of them because this is the one that really got my attention. And it's called Epic Amethyst. Ooh, okay. Have you guys tried these? Have you seen them at Ulta? Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Oh, I can't wait to try this out. We're gonna have to... You can smudge it out, but I guess once it sets, it's like budge proof. There we go. It's setting already. That's really interesting because a second ago it was like powder, and then once I tried to rub it a little bit more, it was yeah, it's not budging anymore. And then they also sent over the Superhero mascara. I was just in need of a new mascara, so I'm gonna have to use this one. Thank you so much to It Cosmetics for sending these goodies over. Next up, we have some goodies from Replenix, and I'm a huge fan of this brand. I'm currently using their cleanser. Green, I believe it's the green tea cleanser. What do we have in here? So we have a little bag here. And inside we have, oh, perfect, because it's starting to warm up here in Southern California. This is the Replenix Sun Care Hydrating Antioxidant Sunscreen SPF 50. Don't believe I've tried this. Oh, it contains green tea, hyaluronic acid, and also squalene and caffeine. Very, very important to use that SPF. And then this is their Replenix Sun Care Skin Restore Tinted Mattifying Face Sunscreen. What was that? Something just fell. SPF 30. And I don't think I've tried this either. I like how it's mattifying, you know, especially during the summertime, you know, well, you get like oily. So this is really cool. Skin right now is pretty much oily T-zone, normal in the cheek area, but definitely summertime this will be very, very beneficial. And then they also sent over the Replenix Discoloration Tinted Brightening Eye Cream. This is medical grade ingredients, advanced peptides, visibly brightens, depuffs, and refreshes. So here is the packaging. Nice. I like that. Really does look interesting, especially because it has this kind of applicator, you know, to go underneath the eyes. Recently uploaded a daytime skincare routine, so we're gonna have to, you know, mix it up and try some of these other products out. Thank you so much to Replenix for sending over these goodies. We'll definitely give you guys an update in an empties video, or maybe also a monthly favorites video. It really depends. Hope you enjoyed this video and just enjoyed unboxing some of these goodies. I wish I would have swatched all of these. Let me know if you'd like to see some sort of review on these, the Superhero No Tug Shadow Sticks. These look really, really interesting, and you know, we'll get to see the wear time and everything. So as always, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed hanging out and enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.